Good morning, children. This is Pushpalata ma'am. Today I am going to teach you English subject English class 2 lesson the foamy soap, children. Very interesting lesson, children. Listen carefully. After I explain the lesson, I will ask you questions also. You have to answer the questions. So everyone listen carefully, children. This is lesson 13, the foamy soap. You know soap, no, children? In your house, soap, Lux soap, Hammam, Chintal, soaps, you know, no, children? This is here lesson name is foamy soap. When you rub the soap, you will get foam, no, children? For that is foamy, children. The foamy soap lesson, children. Okay, are you ready, children? In this lesson, new words: master, brave. Brave means what, children? Ready to face and endure any danger or pain. Intelligent. Okay, children? Okay, children? Jungle. Jungle means forest. You know, no, children? Scared. Scared mean what, children? Fearful or frightened. Okay, children? Slippery. Next, suddenly, agrees, town. These all are new words, children. Now, coming to the lesson. Dopey is a hard working goat. See, children, you can see here Dopey, goat. Goat name is what, children? Dopey. Doapy. Dopey is a hard working goat. He always wears a bright red coat. See, children, Dopey wears always a bright red coat. You can see now, children, red coat. One day his master tells him to carry a load of coal to the next town. Okay, children. Dopey is a hard working goat, now, children. One day his master tells him to carry a load of coal to the next town. Okay, children. Dopey is a good goat. He likes to work for his master. Dopey is a good goat, very good goat. He likes to work for his master. But he knows that to go to the next town, he has to cross the jungle. See, children, he likes to do all the work for his master, but he has to go to the town. He has to go to town means he has to cross the jungle. First he has to cross the jungle, then he will reach the town. And a big bad lion lives in the jungle. Who lives in the jungle, children? A big bad lion lives in the jungle. Dopey is scared. Scared means, I told no, children, fearful. Scared. He does not want to go alone into the jungle. Yes, no, children, because why? A big bad lion lives in the jungle. So Dopey is so scared. He does not want to go alone in the jungle. So Dopey thinks of his friend. Dopey as a friend, he remember about his friend. His friend name is Soapy. Soapy, Soapy. The toad. The toad. He goes to his house. Toad means what? Big frog, children. Okay? For small frog we will say frog, but big frog we will say toad. Okay, children? So, Soapy the toad. Whose friend, children? Dopey's friend Soapy. Who is Soapy? The toad. He goes to his house. Okay, children? Now, he finds Soapy taking a bath. Here, see, children. Toad. I told you, no, children, toad. He is toad. What he is doing? He is taking a bath. Soapy. Toad name what? Soapy. Here, Dopey. Dopey is a hard working goat. Here, when Dopey went to Soapy house, What Soapy is doing? Soapy is taking a bath. Soapy is very clean toad. Soapy is very clean toad. He has a round pink soap. See children. See children. Pink soap. Soapy has a round pink soap. He always keep the soap in his pocket. Why he always keep? Because Soapy is a very clean toad. So he always keeps the soap in his pocket. Dopey asks Soapy to go with him to the next town. Why Dopey asks? Dopey is very scared, no? Big lion is there in the forest, in the jungle. So he want help to, he is asking help to Toad. Soapy is very brave. Soapy is very brave. Dopey asks Soapy to go with him to the next town. No, Soapy is very brave. I am not scared of the lion, he boasts. See children. So what Soapy said? I am not scared of the lion. He agrees to go with Dopey. He agrees to go with Dopey. Dopey, who agrees children? Soapy. Soapy agrees to go with Dopey. Where they want to go? Town. They have to go town means they have to cross the jungle also. But Soapy is very brave. He is not scared of the lion. So he agrees to go with Dopey. He packs some toasts in the box. Bread toast they packed in the box, and the two friends set off down the road. They started their journey. They walk all the day. It becomes night. What happened children? They walk all the day. It becomes night. Suddenly they hear a loud roar. They start walking faster. No, it become night, no? Suddenly they hear what? Loud roar. They start walking faster. But what do they see? The big bad lion is standing before them. See children. See children. Soapy, Dopey. In front of them who is standing children? A big bad lion is standing before them. The lion says, Ha, a goat. Ha, a goat and toad. I am going to roast you and eat you for dinner. See children, what lion says? Ha, a goat and toad. I am going to roast you and eat you for my dinner. See children, I am tired of eating boars every day. Boars means bones children. I am very bored. I am tired to eating boars every day. The two friends are scared, but they do not show it. Dopey and Soapy are scared, but they do not show. They do not. The two friends are scared, but they do not show it. Soapy, the toad, is smart. So I told you, no children, Soapy is very smart. Soapy, the toad, is smart. He has a good plan. He says, Lion sir, we have been walking since morning. They both are saying to Lion, we have been walking since morning. We are very thirsty. Please let us drink some water first. Then you can eat us. See children how clever the Soapy is. What he said, Lion sir, we have been walking since morning. We are very thirsty. Please let us drink some water first. Then you can eat us. How clever, see children. The lion gives them a glass of water and lies down under a tree. See children. The lion gives a glass of water to them, to Dopey and Soapy, and lies. See children. Here, who is he children? lion and lies down under a tree. Soapy takes out the soap from his pocket and soaks it in the glass. Soaks it in the glass. Soapy has soap, no children, pink soap. What Soapy did? Soaks it in the glass. He then rubs the soap on Dopey and himself. See children. He then rubs the soap on Dopey and himself. See children. Foam. These are foam children. This is foam. Rubbing the soap, no? Then foam came. There is a lot of foam. See, there is a lot of foam. They become slippery. Yes, no children. When we rub the soap, we will become slippery, no? Then they begin to run. The lion sees them running and runs after them. Lion sees them running and lion started running after them. He catches the goat, but oops, the goat slips away. When he catches the goat slips away. He catches the toad, but the toad also slips away. Because why? Soap is there on their body. So, slips away. Soapy throws the pink soap on the ground. What Soapy did? Soapy throws the pink soap on the ground. The lion puts his foot on the soap. Lion puts his foot on the soap. Here, see children. And do you know what happens? The lion slips and bangs his head against a tree. See children. Lion. See children how? What happened children? Lion slips and bangs his head against a tree. See children, against a tree, lion bangs his head. He cries loudly. Who cries children? Lion. They seize. Okay children. Dopey and Soapy run fast. They see a boat near the river. They see a boat. See children, boat. They board the boat and row it fast to other side. See, they board the boat and row it fast. They went on the boat very fast to the other side. How clever, see children. Soapy is so clever, no children. You have to be brave like that children. You should not scare for anything. Okay children. Now understood children. Very interesting lesson, no? Now you listen the lesson, no? I will ask you some questions children. You try to answer children. What has Dopey to carry to the next town children? Dopey has to carry a load of coal to the next town. Where does Soapy keep his soap children? Soapy keeps the soap in his pocket children. Who lives in the jungle children? All of you know, no? A big bad lion lives in the jungle. Who is not scared of the lion children? Soapy the toad is not scared of the lion. What does the lion eat every day children? The lion eats boats every day. Understood children? Now here is the small assignment for you children. Read lesson The Foamy Soap 2 times children. Okay children, so that you can improve the reading skills children. We will meet you in next online class children. See you children.